Hi, freelancer. It's great to have you back. For those who don't know me, I'm Paula from the Rent team. In the first video on the channel, I explained how to register as a freelancer through the tax agency. And in this second video, I'll explain the next step, how to register with Social Security, as it's an essential requirement. So let's get started. Let's go.
We're going to go to the Social Security website and we're going to log in. So first we have to choose the date on which we're going to start the activity. So once that's done, what we're going to do is select from when we want to contribute. If we contribute for the full month, we'll be charged for the full month, and if not, the corresponding amount. Here we have to choose what we're going to do, if we're self-employed, if we have a main client, etc. etc. That depends on our situation, each individual's. In the next step, we're going to have to choose the activity and we're going to have to choose the CNAE. Here I chose this one at random, but it will have to match the IAE we have in Form 036 from the tax agency. So we have to be careful with this because they absolutely have to match. Here we choose the tax agency because it's the general rule. If we're not in any of them, in the Basque country, etc., we're going to choose the tax agency, and we're going to put, well, as I said, the IAE code, which has to match the activity. Here, well, we choose if we belong to a professional association or not. In this case, it would be, well, lawyers, economists, etc. And then in the next tab, we're going to put our address. We fill in the data, and as you can see, it's quite simple. It doesn't even take 5 minutes. So there you go. It's very easy. Here, well, it informs you a bit about what the fee is, how much you have to pay, what happens, the benefits you can access by paying that amount. So what we're going to have to do is enter more or less what we think we're going to earn and choose a contribution base. The thing is that here, well, if we're newly self-employed, of course, and we choose the flat rate to pay 80 euros for the first year and so on, the maximum contribution base it allows us is, as it says here, 950.98. So if we're going to pay 80 euros a month, well, that's the base we can choose. Then, well, we have to choose if we have any of these scenarios. And, well, here it asks if you're going to work as an employee and self-employed at the same time. And we have to choose an insurance company for accidents and so on. And, well, here it informs you if you meet the requirements, then this will be your fee. And a bit of how this is broken down, this rate. And, well, the truth is that now the next thing will be to fill in our email address and our data. We'll receive a security code that we'll have to, well, that we'll need to access. And then the next steps will be, well, setting up the direct debit, that is entering the IBAN where we want to be charged, reviewing the data, and then finally confirming.
Well then, freelancer, another step achieved. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any.